Welcome to Sound 2K Academy. In this video, we're going to see how to create a web page using HTML and CSS. Okay. In this video, I'm going to tell only HTML, and next video I will tell about the CSS CSS style. Before running our HTML program, we want some HTML online editor to perform and run the task. We go for search engine to online editor. I'm going for JS Reader, which is one of the best online platform to run the HTML. Just I'm closing this window. Here you can see the four parts are there. One is HTML and another one is CSS and JavaScript, and the fourth one is result. Okay. In this video, I'm going to use one of the part is HTML. First, I said about to see some first five tags. Okay, first basic five tags we are going to see. First tag is head tag. There are six head tags in HTML: H1, H2, H3 up to H6. I'm giving some value or I'm giving some character or a string in the heading tag. I'm running this. Our first tag is finished, and next we go for next tag, which is paragraph tag. Paragraph tag is nothing but it is to hold some amount of paragraph. So we go in for paragraph tag. Okay. Our second task will be completed. Next we go for third task. Third task, which is main tag. Main tag. The purpose of the main tag, which is shows the main content of the page. Shows the main content of the page. The main tag contains any other elements. So I'm holding these heading tag and paragraph tag to the main tag. I'm running this. Does not change any part because it shows the main content of the web page. That's all. Next we go for image tag. In name itself you can find out that image tag is used to insert an image. Image tag is a self-closing tag. Image we use in image tag as two attributes. One is a source attribute and another is alternate attribute. Source attribute, which is the link of the image, and alternate attribute is used to what is the image was, what is the name of the image when it is failed to reload of the image. Okay, source attribute, we go for any images like this is one of the cartoon image. Okay, we just clicking this image. I'm right clicking and choose it for copy image address. The image address was copied. I'm going to paste in the source attribute within double quotes. Oh my god, it is so long URL. So we can shorten just your backspace. Just again we are clicking. Okay. The second time the URL had shortened. So and we go for alt attribute. Alt attribute it was an Pikachu image. Okay, Pikachu. I'm closing the tag. Okay, just we run this. You can see the here the image was so big you can't see in it a smaller window. So we in this time we going for the CSS. Okay, in this time we going for the CSS to shorten the image. For going to CSS, we have to declare some class. Okay, class to the image tag. The class which gives to operate in the uh, uh, operate in the CSS. So I'm giving the class name as image. It is user defined. You can give anything your wish. And in CSS, I'm going to use a class name. To using the class name in CSS, we want to use an membership operator, which is a dot operator, and going for the braces. Okay, going for the braces. Here you can shorten your image or longer your image. That is your wish. So I'm going to search it on Google how to resize the image in CSS or how to resize now, how to short the image. Short. Here you can see how to make an image model with CSS. Okay. In this you're going to see some width, height, something. You can resize it by giving width 300 pixels or 400 pixels. That is your wish. I'm just copying this and paste it in my CSS. Okay, I'm running this. Okay, now you can see that the image was shortened here, and this is the our fourth tag is completed, and we go for next fifth tag, which is anchor tag. The usage of anchor tag is to insert yeah, another web page link to our in our web page. Okay, so it go for next web page. The anchor tag is also consist of href attribute. href attribute which is consist of the another web page link. href attribute. So I am copying this jsfiddle.net. This is the one of the link. I paste it here. Okay, the link has been pasted here, and inside of this you can type anything. This is an online editor, online HTML editor. online HTML editor. I'm running this. You can see here the online HTML editor. The link of the page it has been done here. Okay. This is we call this is as an internal link because it runs only on the uh, previous web page. For going for the external link, we go for target is equal to blank. What is the purpose of the target equal to blank, which runs the web page in another site? So this is the usage of the target equal to blank. Okay, we can use the nested HTML tags. So we are going to nesting here. I'm nesting the p tag. Just I am cutting this closing tag and pasting it here. Here I am going to write something um, to work. Use this. Okay, to work. Use this. I'm running this. Here you can see to work. Use this online HTML editor. So you can nested using the paragraph and the anchor tag. Okay, that's all. The 5 tags are over. Okay, let's see another 5 tags. First tag and foremost tag, which is an ordered list tag. Okay, unordered list tag. For using the unordered list tag, you are using the tag UL. UL is an unordered list, also known as a bullet list. Inside the UL tag, we are going to nest our list tag. Okay. In this list tag, we can return some things to be listed. For example, hi and hello. Good morning. So this is the way you are going to unordered list and I am running. Okay, you can see that the list had been in bullet form. So I'm going to list the items in order form, which is a number list. I'm going to moderate my UL into one OL. OL is an ordered list. The same syntax is used. You can run this. Okay, the number had been created. The next tag is used to create a web or a text field into our web page. So for this, you're going to getting some input from the user, and this is an self-closing tag. Input type equal to text. Okay, I'm running this. You can see here the text field has been introduced here in our web page. Okay, and next we go for a placeholder. Usage of placeholder text is displayed in your input element before your user has been inputted anything. For example, I'm giving a placeholder text in our input form. Placeholder is equal to search. Okay, first I'm running this. You can see here this is called as an placeholder text. Before the user inputs anything into our text field, it has been written here. Okay, this is our placeholder text, and next we go for form. Okay, form. How to create a form? Form, which is nothing but filling some of the details. This is the form. Okay, I'm I'm tell it later about that form. Next we go for button type. Okay, button type which also come under the form. So forms and all we going into our program. I'm copy this. I'm pasting here. I'm just another pasting. Okay, okay. I'm running here. You can see here the search field has been repeated in three number of times. Okay, just I'm putting these three input fields under the form. I'm cutting here. Using the form. Usage of form, which is usage of form is to carry more than one input field is come under the form. Okay. Here you can see we can replace search and another item as name, wait, name, uh, mail ID, and mail ID and qualification. These things we can create within HTML. Here you can see okay. Here you can see the name, mail ID. It is all in the vertical tab. Is it correct? It is all in the horizontal tab. So I want to keep it as one by one, one by one. So I am going to use break tag. The break tag usage of the break tag is used to break the content. Okay, it is used to break the content. Learning. Okay. You can see name, mail ID, qualification. So we want spaces under one by one. This under we going to done in CSS. This is the form tab. Next we go for button type. What is the usage of button type? It's used to submit any data. So button type tag is an self-closing tag. Button type is equal to um, I'm going button type is equal to submit. So yeah, button type which is not as a that closing tag. Button type which is equal to submit. Here I can store or click or any item submit. I'm saying it as to submit. I'm running this. can see here the submit button has been placed here. Okay, the 5 task has been completed. Welcome back to the section. In this section, you're going to see another 5 tags. Okay, there are basically 15 or 20 basic HTML tags are in present. So let us talk about only the basic HTML tags. Here you can going to see how to create a radio button, how to create a checkbox, how to create a checked attribute and giving a value. This and all we are going to see here. The first we are going to create a radio button. Okay, before creating a radio button, we have to put our input type which is an radio into an label tag. So this is our label tag. We're going to insert input type equal to our input type which is an radio. Is it correct? So I'm giving the input type as a radio, and I'm giving a name. The name is nothing but to display or to display the group of radio buttons under the one category. So I'm giving the name which is name display. I'm giving us a display, and I'm also giving ID. ID also you can use it in CSS. I'm giving as ID as display. You want to should remember one of these is the name attribute and the ID attribute should be same. Okay, in creating a multiple choice button, the name and radio attribute should be same. I'm just closing this. I'm giving display or student. Okay, running this. You can see here the radio button has been created. To uh, to create more than one radio button, you are repeating these steps. I'm giving a student or graduate, unliterate, anything. I'm running this. For more than one radio button, and in that case we have name and ID should be same. So only it run clearly. Okay, our radio button task has been completed, and next we're going for a checkbox. The checkbox has same as the syntax. We are only changing the radio into checkbox. Okay, running this. So it is a single name, I think so. There is an error because checkboxes which gives to the plural form, so it length the width has been longer. So checkbox here you can see here the checkbox has been created here. So okay, how to check how to check the uh, how to check the choice? Okay, how to check the choice? Suppose we are asking the questions means on this one we have to check that answer. Okay, so we are giving the attribute check. Okay, check. Which we are running this. Here you can see the student name has been checked here. This is the usage of the checked attribute, and you also have the value attribute. Value attribute is nothing but giving value to the um, value to the choices. For example, student is the right choice. So I am giving the value equal to student in all the three checkboxes. So whenever I click the unliterate, it tells it is a wrong. Okay, it tells the student is a correct. This is the usage of the checkboxes, and we end of the section. We completed the basic HTML and HTML file, which is the latest version. So with this tags, it is the basic to create a web page. So try it. In our next video, we're going to see how the CSS has been performed. Okay, how CSS has been performed. To get the certificate, I'm to get the certificate for these course or for this video. In this description I have created a link. Passages 60, you pass the 60 percentage, you get the certificate. Thank you.